Ever seen a family dinner where everyone is here but no one is really here? That quiet battle between phones and conversations has a name, and it's called phubbing. Let's find out more. Phubbing is when you ignore people around you because you are too focused on your phone. The word phubbing blends phone and snubbing. And sadly, it's something we are all seeing more and more in our daily life. Imagine sharing good news, but your friend is too busy liking cat and dog videos. That's phubbing. Phubbing happens everywhere. At family dinners, in cafes, during meetings, and even on dates. Researchers have even studied it and found that regular phubbing can weaken relationships and trust. Sure, checking your phone feels harmless, but to the person sitting with you, it can feel like being invisible. Good communication isn't just about talking, it's about listening and being present. Giving your attention is a gift. So, next time you are at a table, let's keep the phones down and the faces and conversations up. If you've ever been phubbed or accidentally phubbed someone, hit like and share your stories in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to eClub, where learning English is fun, real, and all about staying connected.